selling the FD, maybe. Maybe. Oh, shit. You gotta buy it now. Homie came by, he's looking for a car and figured why spend $30,000+ on a done up FD when he can build it himself, and this is a perfect chassis. I'm not giving up on FDs, I'm buying another one. It's just, I don't really have time to do everything on this. I do, kinda, but I don't know. I don't feel like doing it.
It is a lot of work.
Like, I have the full kit, dude. I have the front fenders, rear fenders, front bumper, side skirts, rear bumper. I just need to paint it, and...
No, he just needs to sell it because he bought a new car.
Oh yeah, I just picked this thing up. You guys can't see that. Wait, is it going to be in this
episode? This is the
same episode. Never mind, you guys can see that. Yeah, but let me grab my jumper pack and I'll start it. I haven't started it in weeks, so. Off. I need to do something about that. Is it statted? Yeah. A bunch of ballers, bro. You came here with a 35.
Dude, get the f out of here. 4-car garage. You got 7, 8, 9 cars at the house.
Yeah, I guess I'm the same.
Blitz 03s cost more than anybody's wheels in this whole neighborhood.
I want him to pull over here. Tell him to pull right here.
Hello.
Hi. Sweet. Thank you.
The studio.
Got new speakers because I'm not a baller like Jordan. I'm not going to spend $800 on speakers. I got me some. What are these? K-Lips.
Had good reviews on Amazon and stuff.
Dang, what? Why are we? I had 5 packages supposed to arrive today. What's going on? Guess I'm selling it. I think he's gonna buy it. I think so. I need to go to the land and grab the other pair of bolts because I told him 19.5 with the bolts. Mouse and keyboard. Check out the rear.
Wait, don't build it yet. Let me put the center caps in.
Dude, your neighbor, I can fit a status seat in the back of that, right? I was wondering if you could fit it.
Baller! I gotta buy one of these next.
Are you?
I want to.
You want to?
I just bought this. I got that today, so sweet. I kind of emptied my pockets.
What is it exactly? A Koska?
Yeah. It has the 2000 GT front. Sorry, Rob.
Oh,
I'm selling
don't
it.
Look at me.
He's gonna find you, bro.
Dude, nobody needs to know.
I'll find you another FD, I promise. Sweet.
There's 1K.
Sold the car for $1,000. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. So overdue, that's you guys?
Yeah, that's him.
That's it? Right on, I see that name all around.
Dude, sick. That's awesome.
Overdue. Alright guys, good luck with the house. I'll follow you, dude.
Why are we here?
We're not at the land house, we're back at the other house because my sister called me and she wants to swap out the wheels on this thing. And I gotta pick this thing up, so. Waiting on Coda, me and him are gonna do a little cruise back to the land, slowly moving the cars back. Got Gabe's car moved here, so he took my spot. So I'll be taking this back. I don't even think the Supra can make it back. I think it's gonna break. This thing, I need to put a trans in. I've just been so lazy. Hachi can't make it with its own horsepower. Gotta tow this thing. But then we'll be pretty much done. We already moved all the stuff to the storage. I'll show you guys that. The wheel collection is insane right now at the storage unit. Just hoarding. I gotta figure out what I need to sell. To be honest, this is a bit stupid to have this many wheels. But we do have a lot of cars, so it's nice to just come in here and pick what wheels you want for the week, right? I only got all my seats together. I didn't realize how many I have. No, I don't think I'm selling any, unfortunately, guys. But we are pretty much sold out. This is all like personal stuff. I think I have this stack right here that's gonna be for sale. It's Sylvia fenders for S13. So besides that, just turn into our little Baron's Garage storage unit for wheels. Sold all the parts, so we're gonna, I guess, take these wheels off and throw some big Johnnies on it. Wide body's still coming. I'm assuming the wheels are gonna poke out to like right here, but she wants to run it anyways. It's gonna look really dumb. I think it's gonna be great content.
It's gonna look like your race car.
I don't think it's gonna be that extreme, but these are the wheels she's putting on. I sold these to her a while ago. These came off of actually Coda's car. When I bought that car and sold it, before I sold it to Coda, it came with these wheels. I sold it to Coda without the wheels, but they're really dope.
I wanted those wheels.
Put these on the pace car.
Yeah, I just wanted to put that on stock body.
And just raise it like 6 inches.
Monster truck status.
Where's my sister at?
She's out there selling some Girl Scout cookies.
Oh yeah. She's at the Girl Scout cookie stand.
Yep.
Why am I in a jumpsuit, dude? This is freaking hot.
This car's freaking hot.
I think these are the back ones, yeah? Yeah.
The rears, you should say.
I'm so excited to see what they look like.
It's gonna look trash. Look how high your car is. It has no bending.
Why don't you lower it?
Comedy.
You should lower it.
With the body kit, it's gonna look so good.
When's that arriving?
In like probably 5 weeks. I'm not sure.
5 weeks.
Frick, a whole month?
Alright, you guys won't see this thing finished till next year.
Looking like my stock pace car.
Dang, these are big Johnnies too. The 1810 half plus 22. Oh, they're not that big. They just
That's only 10 half?
Yeah, it's because it has a 285 on it. 270.
Bro! How are 10s gonna fit on my car? My tires gonna be more stretched than this?
No. No. Maybe. Yeah, it'll look like this. I think yours is the exact same fitment as the front. That's how your tires are gonna look on the front of my car.
This one?
Yeah, that's what yours is gonna look like.
My rears will look like this. That's how much rim is gonna stick out?
Yeah. Put this on first. Dude, we should slam this thing.
Do you think I should polish
You should
these
lower
up?
it now, Tim. It doesn't even stick out at all, bro. It's sticking in.
It's so sunk.
Hey, what wallpaper is that? What car is that?
I don't know what it is. Huh?
These wheels look good.
This comes right out.
You can do it.
Geico. 15 minutes could save you 15% or more on car insurance.
Pushing is so much harder than pulling.
Yeah. Pushing is so much harder than. I really like the pullovers though.
Why?
They're nice. When you look open at the end.
I want to see what kind they are.
They're Blitz.
Oh, they're Blitz coils?
Yeah.
Freaking.
You have Maxarito center caps, bro. Arito is Supra king. Something else. This is so hype. It's not even good.
Tonkatsu, more like tonkatsu. What?
Go, grab your other whip. That's your upper arm. That's like what you bought for your other Supra.
I wish I could say that's what I bought for my other Supra. I'll trade pace car for your Supra then.
I got lucky.
Pace car's gonna hate you, bro.
Dude, my car is gonna... Actually, we should race, Jordan.
Race?
when both of our cars are
K
dead.
will smoke you. I'll freaking hit all the bumps.
You got this.
You can do it, Geico. How many times have I said that today? Frick, man.
Is it right? Nope, not right.
Hey Josh, wanna help your sister?
I'm eating, bro.
Okay,
You did it.
there we go.
Something popped really, really loud. It was almost, did you hear that?
Yeah.
What was that?
I don't know.
It was almost like my spring finally like settled into position from when because these coilovers are trash. So I drooped the spring like as much as I could just to slime it. So it rides like crap, but we have D-Max coils at the land I'm gonna throw on. But I think it finally settled, bro. But I'm scared now because it's already rubbing, so I think it's gonna rub even more. What is that thing? Freaking gold Ferrari, bro. A 1991 Ferrari.
So good. When you see it around normal cars, that's when you appreciate it more.
Yeah.
You can't really appreciate it on your driveway.
You can really tell what a drift car looks like and a show car.
What are those? New kicks again.
Yeah, get into kicks
You're a
game.
sneakerhead now, bro?
Kinda. Cause she loves.
Dark.
What are you up to?
I'm going to cruise. Just going to see how my tire feels. If they sit on the dirt, they can see who's coming. And towards this way, I'm coming this way.
Uh-huh.
Get that up. Get that up. streets are always calling.
Today's a sad day, guys. You guys remember Rosie from
Last year.
last year?
You're up right there.
Day 36 of quarantine and we have turned into zookeepers. Right here we have a wild snake. Not sure what kind it is. But what a beaut, huh? What a beaut, look at her. Look at her go. Yep, that's where we got her. We just fed her up real good. Got her pretty big.
Thick rosé.
But I think it's time to let her go.
Rosie bows like rocks.
They do like rocks. I'm just hoping there's not a rattlesnake in the rocks that will eat her. All right, Rosie. She doesn't even know how to be on rocks, bro.
It's like, what is this?
Right over there a year ago. And we're gonna let her go now. Trash run. This is what we do at the land. We don't have regular trash bin. We have a freaking dumpster here.
So, just fill whatever car you're gonna take out.
Drive it to the dumpster.
Should have filmed every time me, you, and Koji, and Koda.
I know, it would have been funny. Body slammed into the trash can.
I don't want this dead.
Mom, we're filming right now.
Oh.
Hi, Auntie.
I'm just saying.
Okay, Mom, let me just, he's here. Okay, I know. You want me to move the rest of my stuff? Anyways, you got the parts. We got lines, tank, compressors. I think that's the management system. Oh. Christmas time is here. All right, let's drill this thing.